Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to disable apps opening on the startup of the Windows. So to do that, let's head over to our window, to our search section. Now go to startup apps and you will find something like this. You can also find it on system settings. So head over there. And here you will find all the apps that start up while you use your PC or start your PC. You might have seen that. You might have seen that once you had your brand new PC. Your PC would just normally your PC speed was very nice and smooth. So now on your laptop or PC that you are using might get slower because of some apps that get started up while you run it. So there, this is the place from which you can just turn it off. So as you can see, there are some apps that is turned on to startup apps. You can also sort it by status or startup impact. So this is the startup impact that keeps on your PC. So for Acrobat licensing service, it's high impact currently. For Adobe GC, high impact. Blue Keyboard is no impact. Some of them are low or medium impact like this. So what we can do is just to turn it off, as I want all of them right now that I turned on. You just need to turn it off by toggling this icon. So yeah, this is how you can disable apps or start up apps while on your PC or laptop. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.